The gopis are fully realized in these subtle points of transcendence. So they're saying, what need do we have for other husbands? They're devoid because they don't have any souls because they're against us following you. So anyone who is against you or doesn't allow you to go to Krishna or practice Krishna consciousness, he's already dead. So there's no need to serve a dead mother and father or a dead person because they're dead and gone, and no value. It's like so. And he said, and who have thus already had their faces burned in the funeral pyre. The gopis are really very heavy speakers. Because the Shastras say you should serve your relatives and husbands because actually, ultimately, that service ends up with the Supreme Guru, the Supreme Superior, which means God. In 5th canto of Bhagavatam, Rishabhadeva is telling, Guru na shishyat, pitaro na shishyat. And it goes on, one should not become guru, one should not become teacher, pitam na shishyat, matam na shishyat. One should not become mother, or one should not become guru. In other words, one is not eligible to become a senior or a superior unless they can deliver their dependents, deliver their children, deliver their disciples to this transcendental realm, moksha. So this is the arrangement. Otherwise, one has no right. So therefore, the parents are duty-bound by Shastra to inculcate religious teachings to their siblings and children and teach them morality and the laws of God and so many things. Otherwise, the parents are condemned and the children are more condemned, and it's a very unfortunate situation for everyone. But ultimately, all service to the representatives of God goes to God. So you can see the gopis' logic. Yes, we should serve our mothers and our fathers, and we should serve our husbands and our children and relatives. Why? Because they are all representatives of the Guru principle, and the Adi Guru, Jagat Guru is Bhagavan Sri Krishna. So if you take care of your fingers, ultimately it will benefit your body, because if your fingers don't work, they can't cooperate to feed your body and put food in your mouth, and you'll be Radhe Radhe Katam Hogya. That's all right to be Katam Hogya if you say Radhe Radhe at the end, and you'll get some good benefit. So it's amazing how such a surcharged, romantic, totally forgetful atmosphere. I mean, any ordinary person, if an ordinary human being, a man and some women were together in such a stimulating, romantic, Cupid-inspired environment, there wouldn't be too much intellectualism. There wouldn't be too much, analysis and logical functioning of the brain. It's like, wow, so beautiful. They forget everything in the excitement of loving attraction and the prospect for a wonderful evening together. The gopis are just they're fixed, And Krishna's fortunate Kripa Patra, the gopis' mercy.